Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. We start by laying out 6 pork medallions on a cutting board. Cover them with film. And gently beat them until they're nice and tender. Friends, please write in the comments what country and city are you from? It's very nice to know that we can communicate all over the world. Next, we season them with a sprinkle of salt. Friends, I'd be happy if you could give this video a like, as it's the best reward from you. And a dash of pepper. Now for the cheesy goodness. Squeeze a triangle of melted cheese onto each medallion. Friends, if you enjoy my content, subscribe to the channel to receive notifications about new similar recipes. Spread it evenly with a fork. If you have any questions about the recipe, write to me and I will answer as soon as I see it in the comments. Chop 1 bunch of parsley. Sprinkle it on the meat with cheesy. Finally, grate 5 small pickled cucumbers. Place them on top of meat and cheese for that extra kick of flavor. Roll up the medallions tightly. Then grease the baking dish with olive oil. Place rolls in it. And pop them into the oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. While those are baking, let's grate up 10 ounces or 300 grams of soft cheese. Ten minutes before the rolls are done, take them out and sprinkle them with the grated soft cheese for that irresistible cheesy finish. Now, onto the potatoes. Cut 4 into small pieces. And place them in a bowl. Season them with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then grease the baking dish with olive oil. Transfer potatoes to it. Grate 1 ounce or 30 grams of Parmesan cheese. and sprinkle potatoes with it. Bake them alongside the rolls for 40 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit, until golden and crispy. While everything bakes, let's whip up a quick sauce. In a bowl, combine 7 ounces or 200 grams of Greek yogurt, 1 ounce or 30 grams of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, two grated pickled cucumbers, 1 teaspoon of dry garlic, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Mix thoroughly. And there you have it, cheesy pork medallion rolls served with crispy baked potatoes and a zesty yogurt sauce. Let's dig in and savor the flavors. Absolutely delicious. Be sure to try this recipe at home and let us know how it turns out. Until next time, happy cooking.